my screen. Okay, so this is just a short Zoom meeting since again all of the discussions are already there, and again this meeting is mostly or most likely like a consultation meeting. Okay, so this is not your chance to ask a question if ever you have a question or clarification. So let's start with week one. Okay, so anyone who has a question or clarification so far regarding with the week one, the modules maybe with the given activities.
Wala pa naman po, sir.
So just be reminded that the due date of those two activities for the week one is today. So make sure to finish them until this midnight. Okay. All right. So if you guys don't have a question under week one, then we can now proceed under week two. Okay. So actually, week two and week three is just one topic. Okay. So it's only about process management. However, it has a lot of subtopics. So it's comprises of 5 topics or subtopics. So we have processes, threads and concurrency, and then CPU scheduling, process synchronization, and then deadlock handling. So what Sir Tingan did in here is he divided this one into two. Okay. So first 3 topics is under week two. Okay. This processes and threads. So this one module right here is already these two topics, processes and then threads and then concurrency. And then for the third one is the CPU scheduling. Okay. So composing of 2 modules only for those 3 topics. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. And then for the week 3, of course, that would be the process synchronization and then the deadlock handling. Okay, so that would be on week 3. Okay, so everything is still the same. So you'll see here the topic learning outcomes as usual, and then the list of topics that will be discussed, and the learning resources, of course. So in here, you will see a lot of videos. Okay, so there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 videos. Okay, so here is my advice. So as I'm reading the module that Certain Dingen created, so this process and threads and then the CP scheduling. So I've noticed that some of them are already, well explained. Okay, like you don't need to watch a specific video anymore. So if you have already understood that specific topic, then you don't need to watch everything anymore. Okay, just watch the video wherein you think you weren't able to understand it completely. Okay, like for example, we have some topics in process and threads that you don't understand. So just go over with that specific topic, find that under watch videos or under the module overview. Okay, so we have a lot of topics right here. What is the scheduling criteria? What is CPU and I burst cycles, etc., etc. Okay, so one more thing that I highly recommend you guys to watch, okay, is about scheduling. Is one. We have different scheduling algorithms. We have FCFS. We have what else? So we have a sample problem of this FCFS, and then we have where's the round robin? Okay, so we also have here a shortest job first SGF, and then shortest remaining time, and we have here RR for the round robin, and then we have here PSE, we have here multi-level scheduling algorithm, and then multi-level feedback scheduling algorithm. Okay, so I want you guys to watch all of the scheduling algorithms because those videos are very important. Okay, so they're actually you guys really need to watch them because these activities will be coming from those topics. Okay, so the first come first serve basis, we have the shortest job first, we have the PSA, the RR run robin, and then the multi-level what is this FQ, multi-level multi-level or multi-threading, forget the name, but that's the last algorithm, the MLFQ. Okay, here, multi-level feedback scheduling algorithm. Okay, so we have 4 quizzes for those algorithms. Okay, and 1 seat break for FCFS, still algorithm, and then 1 case study. Okay, and then all of them will be due on November 3. So you guys have exactly 1 week to finish all of those. So don't you guys worry. Each of those algorithms is just one problem. Okay, so it's not that much. So maybe you can finish this one quiz in 10 to 15 minutes as long as you have fully understand that specific algorithm. Okay, so there's also a lot of given examples under this uh, algorithms or scheduling. Okay, so you can also base your solution in here. Okay, and as usual, so you'll be given some practice exercises. So again, this one is just optional. Okay, this one is not graded. So if you need to practice more, if you want to know more, if you want to learn more about that topic, then you can check this external links. So some of them came from Quizlet, some of them came from ProProps, Cram, MCQs Learn, and then study.com. Okay, so you can find more if you want. So these are just the topics that I have found on the internet. So yeah, that's only it for my part. So again, anyone who has a question or clarification, maybe we have some newcomers who has a question.
None, sir.
Okay. All right then. So if you guys don't really have a question, so just give me thumbs up. Just let me know, that everything is okay. Everything is fine. You're doing good with the subject. Okay, so good to know that you guys are doing good. So just in case that you have a question or clarification, so you can message me anytime. Okay, so I always respond as soon as possible that I read your message. All right. Anyway, so quiz number 3. Week number 3 is not yet done, so I'm still, organizing this one. So I will publish this one on this coming Saturday. Okay, so you guys can have exactly 1 week before the midterm exam. So your midterm exam will be on November 7, I guess. November 6. Okay, so we still have exactly 2 weeks, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's like 10 days or 9 days before your midterm exam. Okay. So yeah, and then the coverage of your midterm exam is of course all of the modules under week 1 and week 20. Okay, those modules. So what else that I need to clarify? I guess that's only it for me. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today. So meeting is adjourned. As always,
Sir,
thank you guys for coming. Yes.
sir, legit kaya na next term is face-to-face na, sir?
Yes. Legit na legit. So don't you guys worry. I think laboratories lang. Sa mga nakita ko kasi, it's only laboratories. Okay, so if you don't have laboratories, let's say next sem, then all of your classes will still be purely online. Okay. However, if you have a subject wherein you really need to, conduct some experiments like, electric. Kasi sa akin, dalawa lang, electrical circuits lab and then electronics laboratory. And then I think most of you are already done with those subjects. So yung mga problema nun is yung mga kukuha pa lang nun. And I think meron din naman mga subjects, nakalimutan ko yung ibang listahan. Yung ibang nakalista. Meron yatang tawag dito, micro. Yung nagkakamali, yung micro na subject na yun. Okay. So magiging face-to-face din siya. So I think it's a third year subject. Hindi ko lang alam yung name since I'm not the one handling that one. I think it's Ma'am Suarez or Ma'am Payumo. Okay. So yung sa akin lang kasi yung tinignan ko. So sorry for that. I will check the my copy if I still have the copy wherein andun kasing memorandum ng lahat ng mga subjects na magiging face-to-face. So that you guys can have a reference. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, so prepare nyo na. Kung magbo-board kayo, syempre, kailangan namang uwian kayo, di ba? Kunyari, taga La Union or taga, ano ba yun, Pangasinan kayo. Syempre, hindi kayo pwedeng uwian lang. Okay? Especially pandemic. Anyway, so next time pa naman yun, you guys still have like 2 months before January. So, yeah. Don't pressure yourself right now. So, maybe problemahin nyo na lang yung December kapag magbabakasyon kayo dito kung sakali. Hanap kayo ng boarding. Anyway, any other concerns or clarifications?
Wala naman na po, sir.
All right then. So if you guys don't really have a question anymore, then yeah, that's it. So happy lunch and as always, keep safe. Okay. And thank you, everyone.
Yes, sir. Happy lunch
Thank you,
din,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po. Bye, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Yes,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Welcome.